When people see our work, what they see is the sum. The sum of many hours, the sum of conversations, the sum of countless thoughts, a few budding ideas to inspire the design, and a couple hundred decisions. The connecting of dots, pushing some pixels. Subtract some ink to add some ink. Few thousand cuts, and it still takes 5 steps to finish that. Check this, scratch that. Grab this, don't forget that. Add those up. Plus 10 yards of vinyl and 30 feet of tape it, squeegee it, pull it, fix it. With a little bit of that know-how. Multiplied by a few drops of sweat and a quart of elbow grease. Now we're talking. Throw in the hustle and the teamwork, a few dance moves, couple final touches, and a few of these. Plus some smiles equals another great one delivered. So, when you're ready, let us solve your problem.